stitch shots from it. Does that thing capture audio or not?
Yeah. Close attention to the camera. We can't get any kind of a splash or.
Yeah. We don't have the water. Yep. I mean, if they kind of drop the water on it, it's fine. You don't want to get it. Because they would make it where if all of a sudden it started raining, your camera immediately broke.
Yep. I got that on 360.
I think
it's right there.
Yeah.
I got it.
Okay. And that's what the strap is for. Idiot. I got it.
Yeah. The strap works better on the front side of my chin.
There you go. Here, I got it. I don't want to throw it because I don't want to...
Yeah, you can frisbee it if I miss it. Look at that.
Nice.
Thank you.
Now you got a soaking wet hat. How's that for somebody?
He's on camera throwing it to me too.
I know, that was a nice frisbee. Deserve a mullet for that.
So that's the house we normally point at right there with the peak.
I always go to like the white, super white.
Yeah. And then I turn.
Yeah.
Once I'm in the channel.
Yeah.
There's a wave, so I don't want to splash everything on.
I mean, I can, like with the GoPro, since it's 360, I can unlock. stay like this all day, we would have like the best of weather day.
Mm-hmm.
It's supposed to get like really sunny, like a great beach day.
See the flags at half-mast. Ruth Bader Ginsburg. I'm sure it was a national thing to... At least they're honoring the federal observation.
Surprised how empty the waterways are on a Saturday morning.
Yeah, it is pretty quiet for a Saturday.
This isn't, by far, this isn't the earliest we've got. It's like, what, 8 o'clock?
8:30, yeah. And it looks pretty darn flat out.
Yeah, we spent like, well, I don't know. I see it. Well, either way, we're good. We're good. Is there a rally of some sort?
I don't care.
It's pretty big, right? A lot of people have to go outside.
Dive boat going out. See, it's a bit early to go. That's the thing too, is, you know, especially 60, 70-foot depth, when the sun isn't overhead, especially when it's overcast, it's dark down on the reef, or it's pretty dark. You know, a lot of light doesn't get down there, so it's light enough to see. But as far as any vibrant colors, it's, you know, it's much better to dive. Although he looks like he might just be repositioning from the dock to load up or fuel or things like that. He might not be going out just yet. In fact, I don't see tanks at the rear of the boat. He shouldn't be traveling with his dive flag flapping like that. I mean, you should only really have that deployed when there's divers in the water. It's not a flag to be flown like the American flag or something like that. It signals something. You know what I mean? I mean, if he likes the thing, the look of it, it's great. His whole boat's painted like it.
I wonder where that boat is like tied up.
You wonder what?
Where is that boat like tied up? Is that a restaurant?
It's tied up right there.
No, they're like takes the property.
Oh, I don't know. That's where Bubba Gump and all that stuff used to be.
Yeah.
So it's just, yeah, there's a marina at that. You just park in those parking spaces for where Bubba Gump is. This is at the end of the street.
Yeah.
That's Square Group, I think.
These guys are banging on the edge.
Yeah, that's all right. That means they're feisty and alive. It's been a 12-minute video so far, which is fine. I mean, that's from where we picked up there and started filming, 12 minutes to, you know, or it might be 15 minutes to the ocean, and I see waves splashing up there where that guy's going out. See it? So we're going to put on life jackets and stow the camera.